M.2 NVMe SSDs are essential for anyone looking to speed up their computer's performance. It offers faster data transfer rates than traditional SATA SSDs, improving boot times, file transfers, and gaming experiences. If you are looking for the best M.2 NVMe SSD available in the market, then here are the top 5 excellent options that we found. The fifth product on this list is the WD Black SN850X. The WD Black SN850X is a powerful SSD designed for gamers and performance enthusiasts. With read speeds of up to 7,300 megabytes per second, this drive delivers exceptional performance, reducing load time significantly for gaming PCs and workstations. Whether you're installing the latest AAA titles or using resource-heavy applications, this SSD ensures fast and seamless performance, enhancing your overall computing experience. The 2 TB capacity provides ample space for a large collection of games, videos, and applications. If you need even more storage, this SSD is available in larger capacities, up to 8 TB, allowing you to store all your favorite content without constantly worrying about running out of space. The drive utilizes Western Digital's advanced TLC 3D NAND technology, ensuring reliable, long-lasting performance. Equipped with an optional heatsink, the WD Black SN850X helps maintain optimal performance during intense gaming sessions, preventing overheating and throttling. This feature is crucial for gamers who demand consistent speeds during long play sessions. The fourth product on this list is the Lexar NM790. The Lexar NM790 SSD is a high-performance storage solution designed for gamers and content creators who demand speed and reliability. This internal M.2 NVMe drive offers impressive read speeds of up to 7,400 MB per second and write speeds of up to 6,500 MB per second, making it one of the fastest drives available. It is built on PCI Gen 4 technology, which delivers twice the speed of PCI Gen 3 SSDs, ensuring that your system runs efficiently even with large file transfers and demanding applications. The integrated heatsink is a standout feature, helping to keep the drive cool during intensive tasks. This not only improves performance, but also ensures long-term stability by preventing overheating. The Lexar NM790 SSD's power efficiency is another notable aspect, with up to 40% less power consumption compared to other PCI Gen 4 SSDs that use DRAM cache. This feature helps extend the lifespan of your system while reducing energy use. Thanks to Host Memory Buffer 3.0 technology, the Lexar SSD activates the DRAM cache functionality of your device, providing smooth and uninterrupted performance. It is also compatible with PlayStation 5, making it an excellent option for console gamers looking to expand their storage without compromising speed. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or handling large projects, this SSD delivers fast, reliable storage to meet your needs. With a 5-year limited warranty, it promises durability and peace of mind for years to come. Still haven't found the best M.2 NVMe SSD for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The third product on this list is the Kingston Fury Renegade. The Kingston Fury Renegade is designed to offer gamers and power users an exceptional storage solution. It provides lightning-fast read and write speeds, reaching up to 7,300 megabytes per second, ensuring smooth and efficient performance during intense gaming sessions or data-heavy tasks. Whether you're loading large game files, transferring massive video projects, or boosting system performance, this SSD is built to handle it all. The drive uses PCIe Gen 4.0 technology, delivering enhanced bandwidth and performance compared to older models. It also comes with a heat sink, keeping the drive cool under heavy load, which is essential for maintaining peak performance. This makes it an excellent choice for gaming PCs, high-performance workstations, and even PlayStation 5 consoles, as it is PS5 ready for easy installation. The Kingston Fury Renegade is designed with a slim M.2 2280 form factor, allowing it to fit into most modern systems. It offers large storage capacities, ranging from 500 GB to 4 TB, giving users plenty of room for games, apps, and media. Its reliable and durable build ensures that your data remains safe, while the SSD's easy installation makes it user-friendly even for those new to upgrading their system's storage. Whether you're an enthusiast or a casual gamer, this SSD is an excellent choice for improving speed and performance. The second product on this list is the Samsung 990 Pro. The Samsung 990 Pro offers exceptional performance for high-end computing, gaming, and workstations, with lightning-fast read speeds up to 7,450 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 6,900 megabytes per second. It delivers remarkable speed for demanding tasks, from gaming to video editing and data analysis. This SSD uses PCI Gen 4 X4 technology, providing an impressive boost in bandwidth and faster data transfer compared to previous generations. One of the standout features of the Samsung 990 Pro is its integrated heatsink, designed to prevent thermal throttling and ensure optimal performance even during heavy workloads. The heatsink efficiently dissipates heat, allowing the drive to maintain stable temperatures and reduce the risk of performance degradation. This makes it an excellent choice for gamers and professionals who need consistent performance over long periods. The Samsung 990 Pro SSD is not only built for PCs and laptops, but is also compatible with PlayStation 5, making it a versatile option for both gaming consoles and high-performance computing setups. Available in capacities from 1 TB to 4 TB, this SSD provides plenty of storage for large files, games, and software, offering both speed and ample space for users. Whether you're upgrading your gaming setup or optimizing a workstation, the Samsung 990 Pro is engineered to meet the demands of high-performance environments. Before we reveal the top M.2 NVMe SSD on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, our top M.2 NVMe SSD is the Crucial T705. The Crucial T705 is a high-performance storage solution designed for gaming, content creation, and professional use. With read speeds up to 14,500 megabytes per second and write speeds reaching 12,700 megabytes per second, it delivers exceptional performance, allowing for faster loading of games, applications, and large files. This speed boost is ideal for users who need quick access to data and seamless multitasking, especially in demanding tasks like 4K video editing or running high-end software. Designed with gaming and creative professionals in mind, the Crucial T705 also features a premium aluminum and copper heatsink that enhances heat dissipation, ensuring stable performance even during intensive workloads. This heatsink helps maintain optimal speeds without the need for noisy fans or liquid cooling, though proper system airflow is required for the best results. Built with Micron 232-layer TLC NAND, the Crucial T705 is compatible with Intel Core 13th 14th Gen and AMD Ryzen 7000 processors, making it a versatile option for a wide range of systems. Whether you're working with large media files, playing AAA games, or running complex software, this SSD will keep your system running smoothly. Additionally, the Crucial T705 comes with a 1-month subscription to Adobe Creative Cloud All Apps, allowing users to access powerful creative tools. Whether for personal, business, or gaming use, the Crucial T705 offers speed, reliability, and premium features for all your storage needs. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out these two that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.